Top 5 reasons to start boxing training. Number 1, self-defense. Boxing's been around since the third millennia and is basically the platform of all striking martial arts. Better to have it and not need it than the reverse. With the right training, being a victim is completely preventable. Number 2, sharpen your reflexes mentally and physically. In boxing, you have to intermittently switch from defense to offense in fractions of a second, and that's going to take your mental game and your physical game to a whole nother level. Number 3, boxing is the ultimate therapy. It increases the production of endorphins, creating like a runner's high. Anger management, stress relief, you name it. After a great boxing session, you're going to feel like a brand new person. Number 4, boxing is a big time upgrade physiologically. You're going to increase your balance, stamina, coordination, reflexes, and it's going to help your cardiovascular system like no other. Number 5, boxing is the ultimate confidence boost. It breaks you down and builds you back up. And once you come back from that kind of adversity, you walk around with a newfound confidence second to none. Hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Till the next time we up out of here. Ow.